If you want to generate multiple certificates with different names and different text, then this video is for you. Using this method, you will be able to generate 5, 10, 50, 100, whatever the number of certificates you want to generate if you have such a requirement. We'll be using one single format, but we'll be changing the first place, second place, winner name and the positions using this particular method. Earlier, we used to issue handwritten certificates for this kind of requirement. However, using AI features, now it became very easy. Let me show you the method. If you follow my mouse, currently I'm in Google homepage. If I just type canva.com, then I'll be able to log into this particular tool. If you don't have an ID, you can create in canva.com. However, let me first show you that how can you generate it, and then I'll be talking about the ID creation. So here you can see that currently I'm in Canva homepage. Now there are different options here. You can search here for certificate templates, and then if you hit enter, it will show you multiple different certificate templates. You can choose from this huge range of collection and you will be able to work on that. What I've done earlier, I have selected one template using which I will show you this method, and then you can choose any of them and you will be able to work on it. So if I show you, this is the one template I chose earlier. Here what we are going to do, this name I'll be changing. Also I'll be changing this maybe winner option. Currently it's for the best player, we maybe for the first prize, second prize, third prize, all those things we'll be able to change it. So first of all, you need to create one data set. If you have a list of the award winners, those needs to be added in one of the Excel file. Let me show you. What I've done, I have already created one of the file. If I open that, so let me zoom it a bit. In this particular file, we have only two columns, right? One is the award, second one is the name. For the winner, you can just add the name. For the first runner-up, second runner-up. Now, in the similar way, if you have multiple categories of winners, then you can list it down here. And in the next column, you will be able to add all those names. So there is no limit. If you want to generate for 50 or 100, you can just add that particular data in this particular file. After that, what you need to do, you need to go to File, you need to go to Save As, and there you can save it as a CSV file. Currently I saved it as a CSV, that's why by default it's showing for CSV, but you may need to choose specifically that CSV file and you need to save it someplace so that you will be able to access it. So this is on our data preparation part. Now here I have only used two of the columns, but if you have something that, okay, award winner, which category, then which name, then in case your template have certain text which you want to also change, maybe if I go back here, you can see there is some text mentioned here, but if you want to change that particular text also, maybe you are awarding one certificate to someone and you want to mention some of the messages there, that text also you can do, and using the similar method I will show you, you will be able to also generate that kind of certificates also. So let me show you the next step and they will understand it more. Now if you follow my mouse, in the extreme left there is one pane and there is one option that is bulk create. If you are not able to locate this particular option here, then go to apps and then you will be able to see one option that is bulk create here. Let me click on that. What it will do, it will give you this particular interface. And here there are a couple of options. Enter data manually, and second one is upload data. And you can see it's asking XLS, CSV or TSV file you can use. What we will do, we will use the CSV file and we'll click on upload data. Then it will open the Explorer window, and where I already have one file created which I just shown you, and this was saved. And if I click on that and click on open, now you can see it picked up these two fields. One is award, second one is name, and it picked up based on the column names we mentioned in our data file. Now if I come here and click on this particular option, that because this will be our award name, right? And if I click on connect data, it will show you those two options only. And I'll click on award. Now whatever the details are there in the award, that will be populated here. Similarly, this is for the name. If I click on that, click on connect data again, and if I click on name, then names will be connected here. Now the fun part. You just need to click on continue, and what it will do, it will show you all those options. Okay, it found three different rows there: the winner A Banerjee, the first runner up B Banerjee, and the second runner up C Banerjee. And now if I click on this generate three designs, it will generate three different certificates based on our requirement. If I click on that, you can see now it's working on, and it now there is a bulk generation is happening. So you can see the first one, the winner A Banerjee, the first runner up B Banerjee, third slide second runner up C Banerjee. So using this particular easy method, you will be able to generate multiple certificates in one go. So now this is a pro feature of Canva. You can take Canva subscription. It's 500 rupees in Indian currency. Currently I'm in India. I'm paying some 500 rupees per month. But if you have some requirement, maybe to generate multiple certificates, you can take 1 month of subscription also, and you will be able to generate all those things. Instead of handwritten things, this will be much better. So I'll add one link in the description below, which will be an affiliate link. I may get some of the small commission, but without any additional cost to you. I recorded another video earlier using Canva. How can you generate multiple PowerPoint slides if you have some requirement? Check out that video to know more about it.